What up, guys? In today's video I'll be sharing with you a new platform where you can earn real money every single day. All right, you're just going to be earning daily, and it is passively every single day you are going to be making this money, guys. This platform is new, just got launched today, 17th of April 2025. Although I've been following up this platform for a while now. Before today, they've been doing lots of work on the back end. I also attended some of their Zoom meetings and all that, so I've been following up for a while now. And today they just launched the platform, and I decided to share this with you guys so that we can take maximum advantage of it as an early member. All right, because if you want to make money with platforms like this, you need to be among the early members. If you join early, they lower the risk. Okay, that's why I'm showing this to you now. This platform, we're going to be using it through the Telegram bot. We're going to be using Telegram bot in order for us to participate in this platform and start making some daily income with this. All right, so this is called the BitTON AI. BitTON AI is a platform where you can stake the minimum of 1 ton. All right, just the minimum of 1 ton you stake, and you start generating some passive income into your own wallet. All right, this is actually decentralized because you're just going to be funding your wallet, you connect it, and you are good to go. And this is all what I'll be showing you in this video. I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to get started, how to register an account, how you can connect your wallet, how you can fund your wallet, and how you can start earning with the BitTON platform, guys. But I want you to know that this is not a financial advice. This is strictly an educational video, and also some things I do online, some risk I do take online to earn some passive income every day and extra income by the side. All right, so if you are interested, please do your own research, thorough research, before you hop on this, and make sure if you are investing any amount, you are only investing what you can afford to lose. All right, so quickly, guys, if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here, and you want to use this platform to make some good income every single day, you can make some fun from this platform every single day. If you are interested, you have to pay attention to everything I'll be showing in this video. It's actually not complicated, but I need you to pay attention so that you don't miss out on anything. All right. Alright, so to get started, all you need to do is to use the link in the description of this video. Go down there, click on it. It's going to bring you to your Telegram application looking this way. Alright, and once you get here, you are going to see a start button right down here. You click on it, it's going to give you this option you can see on my screen right now. Alright, that's just how it works. Alright, but right now all we need to do is to launch the BitTON AI application. So you click on it right here, and your account is going to be open for you. All right, so let this open and I'll show you what to do next. Once your account opens, you're going to notice a button will be right on the top right corner here that will say connect wallet. All right, mine is already connected, that's why the button is gone. All right, but you will see a button here that says connect wallet. You click on it and you'll be able to connect your wallet. Now, before you connect your wallet, it has to be your Tonkeeper wallet, and before you connect your Tonkeeper wallet, make sure you are connecting a fresh wallet, a wallet that you do not have already some funds in. It should be a virgin wallet or a wallet funded with the amount you want to use to participate in this BitTON AI project. All right, anyway, if you do not know how to create a new wallet inside your Tonkeeper wallet, I'm going to show you that quickly. Let's head over to the Tonkeeper wallet and I'll show you how to do that, and you create your own extra wallet. All right, once in your Tonkeeper wallet, to create a new wallet, click on the button up here, then you click add wallet. All right, so once you add wallet, you click on new wallet, click on new wallet, then you can sign in and you'll be able to generate a new wallet. All right, okay, later then you can set up your wallet, customize your wallet. I will just put anything for now. I'm just gonna Now I've already gotten a new wallet right here. All right, so now that we've created the wallet, the next thing you should be doing first before even funding your wallet is to make sure you back up the wallet recovery phrase. Do that before you fund your wallet. All right, so I'm going to do that later. I don't want you guys to see my recovery phrase, so I'm not going to show you that. All right, now quickly, after the wallet is all set up this way, all you need to do is to now fund this wallet with the amount of ton you want to use in participating in the BitTON AI project. All right, so and to do that, you need to go to any exchange of your choice. It can be Binance, it can be from OKX, it could be any other platform, or if you have a P2P, someone you can buy your ton from, you are make sure you do that and just fund your wallet and you are good to go. All right, quickly I'm going to fund this wallet with maybe minimum of 1 ton or 1 point something else ton, then just for you to see how this thing works. All right, I'm going to do that. Funded my wallet. I'm just going to connect my wallet with the BitTON application. All right, so back here all I need to do is click on this deposit button. All right, click on it and I'm going to connect my wallet automatically. I'm going to click here right now. All right, and then click it from here. Done. So it was successfully connected. All right, so I'm going to go back there. Okay, it takes you there automatically. All right, so now we'll need to click on the add button again. Click on it, add deposit button, click on it. All right, now that our wallet is already connected, you can now see that the amount we have in our wallet is reflecting already here. So you can see the 1.34 ton right here. All right, so I'm just going to deposit that completely. I'm going to write okay 1.3. Okay, I'm just going to leave it on 1.3. I'm not going to add the 4. Okay, so that is it. That's how much I'll be depositing. So all you need to do now is to click on add deposit. Click on the add deposit right here. Okay, now before you do that, you can also see here we have total rewards for 135 days. I'll be getting 12.21 BTN. That's the native token of this platform. All right, so the reward is actually in BTN, but you can always withdraw in ton. So the choice is actually yours. You can decide to hold your BTN or later on swap it to ton and withdraw your funds. All right, now this is what we're going to do here. We'll click on the add button, add deposit button, so that we can confirm this transaction in our wallet again and it will be added to our staking instantly. All right, so you can see it has been confirmed. I'm going back there. All right, so my staking has been activated and you can see over here it says I have 0. BTN right now in my reward balance. So my balance is going to be increasing right here. This is what I'll be receiving. I'll be receiving BTN token. All right, this is the native like I said, it's their native token. All right, I'll be getting this every day for the next 6 days. Is going to be withdrawable for me, and if I want to withdraw it in BTN, then I'll be giving the access to withdrawing BTN, or if I want to withdraw it in ton, I will claim ton right here. But the minimum in ton you can withdraw is going to be in 1 ton. You can see it right here. Now this is how the earnings work. All right, now you are going to start earning from the very first day you make your deposit this way. You're going to start earning 0.5% for the first 7 days. All right, that's like 0.5% for 1 week. Then the following week you are going to be earning 1%. Then the following week you're going to be earning 1.5. The following week you earn 2%. The following one you earn 2.5%. Then then the following one you go for 3% upward. Now the 3% is going to be till the end of your staking era, all right, which is going to last for 135 days in total. All right, so the 3% is for the remaining, and you're going to be getting a total of about 224%, or let's say 225% at the end of 135 days. All right, so that's just how you can earn passive income using the BitTON Ai project right here, guys. Like I said, this is not a financial advice, and if you want to really take maximum advantage of this, it is right now. You can hop on this and start earning as early and start earning and taking maximum advantage of it. Now another very important thing I would like to show you here in order for you to earn faster and earn more from this platform is by using the network session. All right, so over here, if you come over here, you can see the levels which you can use to earn. We have up to level 10 right here. You can earn up to level 10. So meaning if you have a direct referral and your referral also indirectly refer someone else, you can get percentage from there. You can get from the first, you are getting 70%, you're getting 7% as reward of whatever the person deposited, and if the person also bring in one more person and the person deposited, you are going to earn 4% from that, and if that person also bring another person, you are going to earn 3% from that. So it's so on till level 10. So that's just how it goes. All right, and you can definitely make more money from this by using this network session. All right, so make sure you share your referral link in order for you to earn some more using this tactics, this system. All right, so guys, like I said, it's not a financial advice. these are things I do online, and I make some extra income every single day. All right, so I'm still going to top up my account. I only did this just to show you guys how this thing works, and I'm going to also make another video showing you how to withdraw your funds, or how you can swap it to TON, or how you can withdraw TON from this into your own wallet. All right, for now we are just getting started, and we are going to start earning with this every single day. So if you're on my Telegram channel, you are definitely going to be seeing more updates from this project and how it progresses. All right, I will definitely post that and let you guys see every single thing that I'm doing and how I'm earning with this platform. So the link to my Telegram channel is going to be in the description of this video. Go down there, hop on it, and you are good to go. All right, guys, so if you're interested in earning passive income with this BitTON Ai application, then the link's in the description. Hop on it and let's take maximum advantage of this right now. All right, guys, in case you're having any difficulty, you can always come here and click on support, and you have to talk with one of the team members, and maybe you just tell them whatever problem you're facing, and you'll be getting a reply as soon as possible. All right, so that's just how this platform works, guys. And I also have another platform I use to earn passive income every single day. The link to that video is going to be in the description of this video. It's going to pop up on the top right corner of this video. Click it and watch it so that you can also participate in that project if you want to. All right, so guys, if you like what I showed in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I see you guys again in my next video, guys. Bye.